Hey, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we purchased a while ago, maybe about 9 months ago. We're in Orleans Parish in the Bywater. I'll post a link to the before, but it looks totally different now. I can't take credit for what's been done to it. We have Marchi here from MLM Construction who did this rehab, and he did a beautiful job. Marchi, man, do you want to maybe just give us a quick show around?
Hey guys, how are you? So what we did, and as Steven just mentioned, we're not going to dive in too deep into what it was before. We're just going to focus on what it is right now. So it used to be a shotgun double. So right now this is a single family residence. This is the kitchen. We've got a home countertops right here, concrete sink, champagne gold faucet. We've got a 36-inch stove and modern layout with a sitting area right here. Let's take a look at the bathrooms right now, because I think those are the biggest highlights. This is a guest bathroom on this side, those are 12-foot ceilings, so we try to stretch the visual of the space by utilizing a little bit taller ceilings and strategically placing the wall sconces. And then around the tile, on the top, we're trying to stretch the tile all the way to the ceiling, so it gives you a visual effect and appreciation for 12-foot ceilings. And then let's go take a look at the master. That's a nice space over there. Yeah, in the master bathroom, we utilize the pocket door right here just so it's easier on the end user, so they don't have to swing the door in and out. It's easier to just take the door into a pocket. We've got a his and hers vanity, wall sconces, same principle. We got a stretched mirrors to highlight the ceiling height. In this particular renovation, we didn't do the tub. Apparently, from our research, the market goes away from a tub and shower, and everybody prefers the shower in a primary bathroom. So we highlighted the size of the shower. We've got a towel warmer, programmable, and this one is a walk-in shower. It does not require the door just because of the depth of it, so we just utilize the glass panel with a black bar, make it look a little bit more slick and modern, and I think that makes it a little bit more airy and easy flowing.
Awesome, man, amazing. So guys, if your house looks like this, we're not in the market to buy it, but if your house is a before house that is damaged, needs repairs, and you don't want to be the one to make it look like this and sell it, reach out to us at Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses all cash in any condition. Check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com, and you'll get all sorts of information. Give us a call, we're happy to chat. Thanks, and yeah, look, I'm really impressed with what Marchi's done with his house. He's killed it.